So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix mobile data not working in Realme P4 5G. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so guys, first of all you enable the mobile data. For enable the mobile data, simply swipe down and you turn on the mobile data. Okay, here currently I am not inside the same. Okay, second is guys, check network mode. Make sure that you are using the right network mode. So guys, if you are using if you are select the 5G instead of auto, so make sure you select it to the auto, because if the 5G is not in the range, so your phone is automatically goes to the 4G. So please select it. For this, simply open mobile network. Here when you insert the sim, it shows your, you simply click on your sim card, and here you select the network mode and select it to the auto. Okay, then guys, you move to the another step, which is uh, restart your phone. Okay, for restarting the phone, simply uh, press the volume up button and the down and power button simultaneously, and simply swipe down. Okay, and guys, still having the issue, so guys, you simply go to the you reset your network setting. For this, simply system and update, and here you see the option of backup and reset, and reset, and here you see the option of reset network and Bluetooth settings. Okay, so this is the way that you can done. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.